If you've ever thought about starting a short-let apartment business, now is the best time for you to start. Today, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know and to get started. Let's jump right in it. Research and choose your markets. Location is key in short-let term rental business. Let's look for areas with high demand for short stays, like tourist destination, business hubs, or college towns. Use tools like Airbnb and Marshverse to analyze market trends and occupancy rates. This will help you identify profitable locations, find the right property, whether you are buying or renting. Make sure the property is in a desirable location and has amenities that appeals short-term renters like Wi-Fi, full-equipped kitchen, and a proximity to attractions. Consider the property size, layout, and potentials for creating a welcoming atmosphere. A clean, stylish, and well-maintained space will attract more guests and positive reviews. Now let's talk about setting up and furnishing your space. First impressions matters a lot, so invest in quality furniture and decorations. Think about what amenities will enhance the guests' experience, such as comfortable beds and a smart TV, and essentials like toiletries and kitchen supplies. Don't forget to take high quality photos of your space. Great photos are crucial for attracting guests and standing out on listing platforms. List your property on multiple platforms. Popular platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com are great places to start. Create compelling listing with detailed descriptions, beautiful photos, and clear house rules. Make sure to optimize your listing for search by including relevant keywords and highlighting unique features. Managing booking and guest communication is crucial. Invest in management tools like property management softwares to streamline your operations. Handle bookings and communicate with your guests efficiently. Software like Guesty or HostAway can save you time and help you provide seamless experience for your guests. Let's talk about pricing your property. Research similar listing in your area to get an idea of compatibility rates. Adjust your prices based on demand, seasonality, and local events. Dynamic pricing tools can help you optimize your rates automatically to maximize your occupancy and revenue. Finally, market your property. Use social media platforms, local partnerships, and online advertising to promote your listing. Encourage happy guests to leave positive reviews and share their experiences online. Engage with your guests, respond to feedbacks, and always look for ways to improve your services. Happy guests are best marketing tool you can get. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.